In this segment, we're going to look at how to add a comparison field to a pivot table. So here we have a sum of the order amounts of a list of data that we have on another worksheet tab. Now what we want to do is we want to have a second sum of order amount column, but then we're going to turn it into a comparison field so we can see what percentage of the total this figure is, etc. So to do this, we need to come over to our pivot table fields, and I'm going to drag order amount down to the values area. And it's now generated a second field, and you'll notice that it says there, sum of amount 2. Now, first of all, what I want to do is highlight all that data, right click on it, and I'm going to choose show values as, and I'm going to choose percentage of grand total. So there's a variety of different options here that you can choose. I'm choosing percentage of grand total. So what it's done is it's worked out what percentage of the grand total the Alcoa order amount reflects. And you can see here the items are all added up to 100%. Now, this column heading doesn't make a lot of sense. So what we might want to do is change the title. So in order to do that, all we need to do is click up into the formula bar and type in a new title, a new column heading for this. So I'm going to call this percentage of total. Now, the key thing you need to know about typing in a header, column header in a pivot table, is that whatever I type in here must not be the same as one of these labels in the pivot table fields. Otherwise, I'm going to get an error message. Now, in the event I really want it to look like one of these, I can put in either a leading space, so just pressing the space bar, or a full stop at the start, and then Excel will see that heading as different to the pivot table field. So all I need to do now is press enter, and we have a new heading. Of course, I could then come back to the Home tab and I could choose to right align that data just to make it look a little neater. So it's adding a comparison field. All we did was drag the order amount down here and then change the formatting of it.